Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is a segment called Mang Kres tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you the chords of This Time by Freestyle. So let's start sa intro.
Tutorials at iba pa.
Ang chords ng intro ay E minor, and then B minor, and then A minor, and then A minor, B minor, C minor. So bali ganito siya. Okay? And then yung verse. Ang chords ng verse ay G, and then A minor, and then B minor, C major 7, and then yung bagsak-bagsak na A minor, B minor, C, and D. Ayan. So bali, dalawang ulit lang siya. Dalawang ulit mong gagawin yung set na yon para sa isang verse. Okay? So, bali ganito siya. Oh, I'm sorry girl for causing you much pain. Didn't mean to make you cry. If you're ever so in vain, I apologize for all the things I've done. You were loving me so much, but all I did was let you down. Okay? And then, let's go sa refrain. Ang chords ng refrain ay E minor, and then B minor, and then A minor, and then A minor, B minor, C minor, and then C7 sus and C7. Okay? Bali ganito siya. Oh, I really don't know just what to say. All I know is that I want you to stay. Okay? And then, diretso na yung sa chorus. Yung chorus naman, i-press nyo lang yung subscribe button. I-press nyo na yan. Okay? So, bali ganito, ang chords niya ay G major 7, and then E minor, and then A minor, D sus, sorry, and then D. Ito parang daan lang to. Parang gano'n lang siya. And then B minor, E minor, A minor, D, and D over C. Ito parang ano to, itong middle finger ililipat nyo lang dito sa 5th fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, which is bass ng C. D over C. Okay? And then B minor, E minor, and then A minor, then yung bagsak-bagsak, A minor, B minor, C, and D. Yan. So, bali dalawang part din yung chorus. Yun yung sa first part. And then yung sa second part, magbabago lang yung chords ng last line. Magiging F, Yung I'm gonna give you my all this time. Magiging F lang siya. At saka G. Okay? So, bali ganito yung sa chorus niya. Bali, dalawang ulit siya. Isang set siya, dalawang ulit. Magbabago lang yung chords ng last line sa second na ulit. Second part. Okay? So, galing refrain. This time I'm not gonna let you slip away. This time I'm not gonna let another day go by without holding you so tight, without treating you so right. This time I'm not gonna let go of your love. This time I promise you that we'll rise above it all. And I will never let you fall. I'm gonna give you my all this time. Okay? Sundan nyo. And then, pagkatapos ng chorus, second verse, same lang din ang chords ng first verse. And then, refrain. After ng refrain, adlib. Yung adlib naman kaparehas lang din ng chords ng refrain. E minor, B minor, A minor, and then A minor, B minor, C minor, C7 sus, and C7. Tapos, yung first part ng chorus, magta-transpose siya 3 frets higher, B flat major 7, G minor, C minor, F7 sus, and then F7, D minor, G minor, C minor, F7 sus, F7 over F, over E flat, or F over E flat, and then D minor, G minor, C minor, and then ito yung bagsak-bagsak, E flat over F, C minor, A minor, D7 sus, D7. Ang daming tipa. So, yun yung first part. And then, bababa ulit yun yung second part, di ba? Babalik tayo sa may G major 7.
Then E minor, A minor, D sus, D minor, E minor, A minor.
Isa, same lang din nung yung original na chord niya ng chorus. Yung sa second part. Okay, so try natin tugtugin, di ba? Time I'm not gonna let you slip away. This time I'm not gonna let another day go by without holding you so tight, without treating you so right. This time I'm not gonna let alone. Time I promise you that we'll rise above it all. And I will never let you fall. I'm gonna give you my all this time. Give my all this time. So that's all, guys. So huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click yung notification bell para
Updated kayo sa mga iba pang tutorial videos na gagawin natin. And i-like nyo na rin kung sakaling magustuhan nyo itong video na to. And kung ayaw nyo, huwag nyo na lang i-dislike. So, that's all.